Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. If you're new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Alright, so today we are going to look at the question on matrix, okay, on a scalar multiplication. So the question says if K is the matrix, okay, we have the element 3, 1, 4, 0, okay, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. So the question says we should find what, solve for what, 5K minus what, 4K. So how do we solve that? Now for scalar products, okay, I have K is equals to what? We have 3, 1, 4, and 0. Okay, so if we say 5K, it simply means, okay, 5 multiplied by what? K, which is what? 3, 4, 1, and 0. Okay, and we have a minus. Okay, so 4 multiplied by K. So we are going to say 4 is going to multiply all the elements again. So 3, we have 4, we have 1 and 0. Okay, so this is what we call scalar product. The 5, which is a coefficient of K, is going to multiply all this. And the 4, which is a coefficient of K, is also going to multiply all this. Okay, so let's multiply that to see what that gives us. So we are going to have, okay, so I have 5 is going to multiply 3. So I have 5 times 3. 5 will multiply 4, so we have 5 times 4. 5 will multiply 1, so we have 5 times 1. And 5 will multiply 0. Okay, so we have minus there. Now we are going to do the same for 4. So 4 is going to multiply 3. 4 is going to multiply 4. 4 is going to multiply 1. And 4 is going to multiply 0. 4 multiplied by 0. Yeah, so with that, we can now multiply the elements inside. So we have, because 5 times 3 we know is 15. 5 times 4 we know is 20. 5 times 1 we know is 5. And 5 times 0 we know is what? 0. So we have minus at the middle. Now 4 times 3 we know is 12. 4 times 4 we know is 16. Okay. 4 times 1 we know is 4. And 4 times 0 we know is 0. Now having gotten this, we have one more step and we can now arrive at our answer to this problem. Now we have to simply, okay, now the elements we have to check. This is 15 and what? 12. So all you need to do is 15 and 12 are at the same positions. So you are going to say 15 is going to subtract, okay, 12. Okay. Now we check again. We are going to observe that what? 5 and 4 are the same position. So all we need to do is we are going to say what? 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4. Okay. Next we have is we have 20 and 16. Okay. So we have 20 subtract, okay, 16. So 20 minus what? 16. And finally we have what? 0 and what? 0 at the same position. So we have 0 minus what? 0. So with this, we can now get our final answer. Okay, 15 minus 12 is going to give me 3. 20 minus 16 is going to give us what? 4. 5 minus 4 is going to give us 1. And the 0 minus 0 is going to give us 0. So if we look at our final answer to this simple problem, it still has what? The elements of what? K. So 5K minus 4K is still equals to what? K, which is this. Alright, so that gives us the solution to this simple problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and leave a comment or two. And don't forget to share this video to some students that So you need to improve user acronym math. I will see you in my next one. Bye.